In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Morningstar Direct, a comprehensive asset management software designed to help you make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a financial professional or just starting to explore advanced investment tools, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up your Morningstar Direct account and introduce you to some of its features. First, head over to the Morningstar website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the option to get 7 days free. This will give you a trial period to explore the software before committing to a subscription. Look for the button that says Start Free Trial and click on it to get things underway. Next, you'll see a form that needs to be filled out with your personal information. This is a standard procedure to set up your account, so take your time to enter the correct details. After filling out the form, you'll find a Create Account button at the bottom. Clicking on this will create your account and take you one step closer to using Morningstar Direct. Once your account is ready, you will need to choose your preferred payment method. Don't worry, even though you're setting up payment details now, you won't be charged during the free trial period. After selecting your payment method, complete the subscriber address field with accurate information. When you've finished, click on Save to secure the entered details. It's advisable to double check this information for accuracy, as it's crucial for your account billing and confirmation processes. Now, you'll need to provide your billing information. This ensures that there's a seamless transition to a paid subscription if you decide that Morningstar Direct is the right tool for you after your trial period. Once all fields are filled out, click on Submit to continue. Then, you'll be prompted to click on Continue to Site, which will direct you to the Morningstar Direct dashboard. Here, you might need to wait for a short moment as the site prepares and loads your personalized setup. With your site ready, explore the various tools and sections available to you. Morningstar Direct offers a wealth of resources including stocks, markets, funds, ETFs, and bonds, as well as investing ideas to enhance your financial strategies. Familiarize yourself with these features to make the most of your trial period. So there you have it, a straightforward way to set up and begin exploring Morningstar Direct. This user guide is designed to help you hit the ground running with this powerful asset management software. With time, you'll discover more advanced functionalities that can assist in your investment and financial journey. Dive in, explore, and make the most of your trial period on Morningstar Direct.